Hey Bossies! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, to celebrate Black History Month, I wanted to do a set inspired by a Black-owned business, Black and Bold. If you want a bold and sleek gold look, then these nails are for you. So grab your snacks and get your water and let's get bossy. My family loves coffee, so recently they purchased this coffee brand named Black and Bold. This brand was founded by two friends, Pernell and Rod, who decided to make their own coffee brand. Black and Bold is available in over 12,000 retail stores across the country. What's really cool about Black and Bold is that they pledge 5% of their profits to nonprofit organizations that are dedicated to the youth. So each cup of coffee serves as a great cause.
Hey, give me back my coffee.
Since I love the design of their coffee bean bags and how their cold brew mixes with creamer, I use both of these elements as inspiration for my nail set. For this nail set, the design will include gold French tips, a marble cold brew look with pearls as the milk foam, and the iconic Black and Bold crowns. For this type of design, I'm going to need a lot of space, so I'll be using the GELLA XL full coverage square tips. Now for the colors, to match the theme of this design, I'm going to use Model 1's black as my base color. For my accent colors, I will be using Beetles Mirror Gold powder mixed with top coat, the Model 1's dark brown, light brown, white, and nude. And for my decorations, I use pearls that I ordered from Amazon. Before I start my designs, I always prep my nails. So if you guys want to see an in-depth tutorial on how I prep my nails and the tools I use, leave a like and a comment down below. For the thumbnail, I start off with a black base and apply 2 coats. I mix the Beetles Gold powder with top coat, and I apply 2 coats of it. When I paint my French tips, I use the T method. I start with a single line that determines how thick I want the French tips to be. Then I paint another line horizontally on top of it, making the T. After that, I use my brush to make connecting lines with the T and fill it in. I cure it and finish it off with the top coat. For the pointer nail, I applied 2 coats of black and cure. I rub the Mirror Gold powder on with a sponge applicator and top coat it. I constantly keep my sponge full of pigment so I don't drag it. I use my long liner brush and some white gel polish to make pointy triangles with connecting lines, making a crown shape. I alternate where the crowns will be on different nails. When making this design, I really wanted to make sure to pick out elements from the bag that really captures Black and Bold's iconic look. After that, I top coat and cure. For the middle nail, I start with a nude base and put on 2 coats. I then cover it with a base coat without curing. I pick up some dark brown polish and start lightly stroking and patting the color in. I continue and start to add a light brown color in between the dark brown and the nude. To finish off the marble, I add a little white to the cuticle area and cure. As you can see, I was kind of struggling with getting the white to ombre properly, so I switched my cleanup brush to an actual ombre brush to blend better. I use base coat to apply the small pearls and cure, but if you want a more durable method, you can use rhinestone gel. My sister gave me the idea to use pearls as a 3D version of milk foam at the top of the cuticle, and I just had to try it out. I painted the pearls white and top coated the whole nail. When painting the pearls, I had to be careful while coating them with the white near the ombre. I really did not want the white to get everywhere, so in the future, I would like to use a short liner brush because we need that kind of control. Since the ring and pinky are the same as the thumb and pointer, I'll speed through the rest of the video. The first time I tried to paint the crowns, I had a little trouble with getting the perfect placement for them. I wanted it to be accurate to the coffee bag while making sure I had enough room for the gold to shine through on the nail. Making this set was definitely a lot of fun. I wanted to be extra creative and detailed. I have already done a coffee nail set before, but I think this version is my best yet. I absolutely love how these nails turned out. They're exactly how I wanted them to look, and it is definitely Bossy approved. When designing this set, I really wanted to make them look bold, just like the black and bold coffee bag on a shelf in Target. If you love this video, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. If you guys want me to create a specific set, then comment down below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay bossy, stay polished.